Hi, this is David McCann for WebTNG. In this video, I want to look at the free version of the Analytify plugin. Every website should have some form of visitor tracking. The analytics data lets you know if you are providing relevant content and engaging your visitors. Google Analytics is the most popular solution, and while there's a very expensive enterprise plan, most sites are fine with the free version. Google Analytics has lots of reporting options built in, but people find the interface complex and confusing. For this reason, and for convenience, a popular approach is to have a basic set of reports available in the WordPress dashboard. Many of the plugins that provide on-site reports are premium plugins or plugins that ask for a lot of permissions, but there are a couple of free plugins that work well. One of those is the Analytify plugin. In this review, I'll provide an overview, walk through the install configuration, and show the report options. The review assumes you already have a Google Analytics account set up for the site. If not, you can go check out the guide how to sign up for Google Analytics on the Analytify website, or you can use one of the many guides available online. There's a free version of the plugin available in the WordPress plugin directory. As you can see, it has more than 50,000 active installs and has more than 270 5-star reviews. Looking at the support threads, you can see that the plugin team is responsive to questions and support requests. You install the plugin just the same way you do any other WordPress plugin. Search for Analytify, click Install, and activate. When you activate the plugin, it adds an admin menu here, and the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the settings and configure the plugin. There's a wizard that walks you through the process of connecting the plugin with your Google Analytics account. On the first page of the wizard, you have the option to allow tracking and continue, or skip tracking. On the second screen, it asks you to log in with your Google Analytics account. You should use the account associated with the website, and you need to give the plugin read-only permissions to your analytics data. On the profile screen, you can choose to install the Google Analytics tracking code, and you choose the appropriate website profile. On the admin screen, you can disable showing analytics on each post and page. Choose roles and what type of stats to show on the posts and pages if you leave that enabled. On the advanced screen, you have the option to use your own API keys. If you want to use your own API keys, then you'll need to set up a Google project for tracking. This is recommended for the premium version of the plugin, but is not required for the free version. You can anonymize IP addresses for GDPR compliance. If your website isn't using SSL, then you can force the connection to Google Analytics over SSL so that the data is encrypted. If you're tracking logged in users, then you can track the user ID. Then the demographic, 404, and error toggles allow for this information to show in the reports. If you have linked websites, you can enable cross-site domain tracking, and if you have custom analytics code, you can add it here. Once you've completed the configuration, you can go to the dashboard to see the reports. There's a general statistics overview report. There's a top pages report, a geographic report, shows top countries and top cities. There's information about your visitors' operating system and web browsers. There's a report that shows how people are finding your content. There are the top referrers, and if you're sharing your content in social media, then it will show the traffic coming from social media. And then there's a bounce report that shows what happens when people come onto your site. There's also a dashboard widget available, which I've already installed. And when you install that, you get a dashboard widget here, which is useful if your visitors are used to seeing their analytics data here, or if you've customized the dashboard for them. And there's several different reports available, and you can search by date range. There is a premium version of Analytify, and it is an add-on to the free version. So if you get the premium version, you'll need to have both installed. The premium version adds additional reports, a graph for number of visitors, a graph for number of views, real-time statistics, campaign tracking, email notifications, Google Analytics goal tracking, and e-commerce analytics for WooCommerce and easy digital downloads if you have e-commerce active on your site, and some short codes for showing the reports in more pages in your site. Some of the premium features are available as add-ons, and the pricing tiers are based on the number of sites. You can buy the add-ons separately, or you can buy them in bundles. Overall, I found that the setup of the free version was very straightforward, and I haven't had any issues with the free version. In the past, there have been a few times with the premium version where the reports took a long time to load. Maybe because of real-time reporting? I'm not sure. That doesn't seem to be the case anymore, and I've not noticed any slowdown with the free version. As you can see from the reports, the free version covers all the basic needs of most websites. The on-site reports will be useful for clients who just need basic reports, and for site owners to quickly see how the content is performing and to have some insight into their visitors. The premium version seems most useful when you want advanced campaign tracking or when you have an easy digital downloads or WooCommerce store. So that's the free version of the Analytify Google Analytics dashboard plugin. Feel free to look at the full version of this on the website, as well as other articles and reviews. I hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching.